I grew up in a very rural community here in Malawi. For many years, we have lived without access to electricity. Whenever we wanted some light, we would use the paraffin lamps. This life has been tough. I said, wow, what can I do? My name is Precious Mafunga. I am a 2023 Future United Special Commendation Award recipient from GBCHealth. I'm the founder of Solis Bio-Energy, a renewable energy enterprise focusing on installing and managing rural mini grids in Malawi. I'm also a 2023 Student Energy Fellow. My project is about integrated rural solar wind mini grid. At present, the community doesn't have access to any form of electricity. Majority of our energy source is coming from charcoal and firewood. Additionally, the communities will be able to engage in income generating activities. Electricity can enable these communities to start small businesses. I said, okay, I'm addressing energy poverty in my community. I was able to study entrepreneurship and how we can use entrepreneurship to solve climate change. That's where my idea came into really fine. Having done this, I had an opportunity to pitch my project with some funders in the US. One of the judges was so interested with my project and said, since it's going to have a widespread positive health improvement and education in Africa and Malawi in particular, by the grace of God, I got selected as one of the best founder on that particular project, and I was awarded 2023 Special Commendation Award.
Solis Bio-Energy, addressing low national electrification within Malawi by installing integrated solar wind mini grids.
I just want to thank you, the Student Energy. I was able to learn, I think from scratch, where I didn't have any background about the energy systems. That has enabled me to land this opportunity where I was able to be awarded even before graduating from the fellowship.